Excuse me, mister. Please turn down the lights. I don't really like all these cameras, man, and this shit just don't feel right.
What's up, boys? Day 2. Happy Easter. Exciting things happening. But first, going to church. See you in a minute.
It's out here snowing. What's up? Boys having a skimming contest on the slopes. Let's see what happens.
It goes over 6 a.m. and it snowed 8 inches.
Before you supersize my fries with that dollar, you got a daughter. Getting harder, the only thing you want to balk her is your freedom. You can't afford to get caught up, but you're in too deep in a seashore.
Oh, that's cold. Oh. What? Oh. We're good. Oh my God. Whoa! What? What? Get it! Oh my God! Go. DJ Marshmallow out here, what's up?
Alright.
What?
Hanging right in the chest.
Oh. Hey. Got one. Wait.
That's so funny.
I mean, hey, eat it. Oh! Kinda high. Ooh.
Yards. Dog coming in the way.
Run it back, man. It's day 3, but yesterday's part was a little bit short. But today we're actually going snowboarding, so there'll be some better content. See you in a second.
And now I'm paying mortgage and they stuck with tuition. So special, your ass if
What's up, boys? Top of the mountain. Crazy view.
Hey, well, enjoy my.
What's up, boys? We just took the gondola up to the top of the mountain and rode that 2 times, but I didn't film it because, you know, wanted to get some runs and to get some confidence. About to go to the top of the kiddie run.
Hey, stop. I've been skiing
Get some
a year,
footage.
so.
I took up the ski lift again. So at this bigger mountain on the blue one. What's up, boys? Just made another run. Got anything to say, brother?
No.
Get some more footage next time now that we have that confidence and know what we're doing. Boys, stuck on the lift for a good 5 minutes now. Don't know what's going on. But we out here. Go! Guys, it's been for real 10 minutes or so since we've been up here. I don't know if you can see. There's nothing happening. Oh! No. Oh! You good? You good? Is there any more? Is that it? What is up, boys? I'm about to bomb this whole hill. Let's see if I can. See ya.
Got a mother, she don't support you, but you bought her a new house cause you love her. Growing up, you barely had a roof. Now you got a coupe and it doesn't have a roof. I guess you.
Boys, talk.
No, it's not.
Nobody here.
Hey, bro, pass me a dog pepper. Yo.
We are out here in the hot tub while it's snowing. Oh, dime.
What you're used to, so you bought two.